Friends, Running Kimono here. We have the Dollar General clearance event that's going to be taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We have some freebies, some cheapies, and I did go through the clearance section and look through the store to find new items, not old stuff from 10 years ago. So your store should probably be having these signs either 50% or 70%, depending where you live and your store. And we're specifically looking in this video at items in the clearance section or with the orange POG stickers. The POG sticker? Great question. It's these stickers inside of the store. This one says 10% off. So right now, this pack of pencils is 90 cents. On Friday, it will hit 45 cents at probably 3 in the morning. You can't shop clearance event early as well if you wanted to hop there Thursday night. Not how it works. It's got to be Friday morning. Also, many of us that are penny shoppers, these totes that get pulled out from the back, if they just have them laying around, probably a lot of pennies. I would really recommend to look at penny hauls from different influencers. I made a video last week. I think I found just under 50 items. You might want to see what I was hauling, and maybe you'll find them in those gray totes. If you could do me a huge kindness, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It took roughly 2 days to put this video together, which is a lot for a lady with carpal tunnel. Also, if you're another influencer and if you're just going to grab all the info from this video, please share the link for the video. I would appreciate that the most, as this video took about 2 days to make. Thank you. Can't stress it enough that you get to your store before Friday and do a little scout. Walk around the clearance section. Is this worth your time? Do they have nice tables at the front? Does your clearance section look full? Are they putting the clearance section on sky shelves and just leaving it out of the way? If it's something like this, you might really strike really, really big and just do some work before the event. Also, non-updated, updated. There are no deals in this video with overage and Boku bucks, but a non-updated store has that old-fashioned keypad, and you typically get overage. But again, the coupons are not as generous for the Friday and Saturday. I don't know what Sunday will have. It might be a completely different story. But at non-updated stores, you get the overage. At updated stores, you just get the item for free. Again, the event is taking place on Friday to Sunday, so August 2nd to 4th. I recommend that you scout your stores, load all of the digital coupons that I'm showing you in this video so you have them on the ready for Friday morning. Again, we went through updated and non-updated in the slide previous. On Sunday, August the 4th, with new digital coupons, especially if there's some for air care and some of the different P&G products, maybe Sunday will be go time for a lot of us. And keep looking in the app to load digital coupons as the week marches on, because there might be some more generous ones, but on Sunday there really wasn't much. For a pop quiz, so 50% off of a $1 item on Friday is 50 cents. These dryer sheets that are $1.75 on Friday morning, if you scan them in the Dollar General app, this box at a 50% off store should be 87 cents, which is really fantastic. All of the prices we're looking at for this, the majority of the stores are 50%. That's what we're going to be calling for this video for all of the items, and I'm going to show them just as this slide at 50% or after the digital coupon or cashback what the price is. To get a table like this during the last clearance event, which was in June, I mean, it's just surreal and it's fantastic. And it's definitely worth going to many stores to look for these deals. And if you have multiple cards with digital coupons, you can really make it happen. I think I paid under $30 for all of this magic. And there's a whole bunch of stuff. So the clearance event is really worth your time. I typically post over on Instagram. My name is running_kimono. If you wish to give me a follow over there, Friday morning at the crack of crow, I'll start posting my little hauls, what I'm finding, what I'm not finding. And also Friday morning, some of this stuff might not ring up properly in the app. If it has a big clearance tag on the item, the cashier will probably modify it, but it is the Dollar General. They have the option to say no, but just be mindful of that and watch that register like a hawk, part of your job. First item we're looking at, guys, is this Biore Blue Agave. So it's some sort of face scrub. It's been in the clearance section for a bit, and even though it's been in clearance events, people are not buying it. So it's going to be $2 starting on Friday. We have a $2 cash back that you can do up to 3 times. So say you find 3 of these, pay the $6, and then in the Dollar General app, within about 20 minutes, you're going to get your $6 back. And that's how a cashback works. It's different than a digital coupon. The next one is with a digital coupon. It is this Drano foaming disposable strips. Seeing this through the clearance section in plentiful amounts around here. So at 50% off, subtracting your digital coupon, which is $1 off, it's going to be 12 cents. I don't even have a disposable, but I want these because it seems like a really cool product to have. My mother-in-law has a disposal. And we also have the Windex. After the dollar digital coupon, it's going to be 80 cents. So that's a really terrific price point. And this is a disinfectant spray. So, I mean, that's something that I would like to stock up on. I love Windex, one of my favorite cleaning products. Another fantastic cleaning product is the Fabuloso. This has been in and out of the clearance event the last, I think, 2 go-arounds. People are not buying it as well. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, making this $1.52. And this stuff, a little bit, goes a really long way. So for $1.52, that is a fantastic price. We have this 3 off 2 digital. Please make sure you have it loaded. We have these Pampers wipes, and there's 3 packs in there. And after that 3 off 2, it should be $3.50 for 2 bags of these wipes, which is a fabulous price point for these wipes for the babies. And then we also have the Colgate Optic White Renewal. We have a $3 digital. And after that coupon, it's going to make this tube of toothpaste 7 cents. So that is a pharmacy price point if I've ever seen it. So I'm delighted with that. We also have the Dove bar soap floating around still at many stores. After the $2 digital coupon, it's going to be 70 cents. Alternatively, if you might find, like, say, a body wash, scan it with the app, and it might be a little bit cheaper than this 70 cents, but a bar soap deal. And a terrific one. We also have a lot of Febreze products. This guy is $3.60, and after the $3.30 digital coupon, when you're buying 2, it's 30 cents for the 2. This guy expires on the 3rd. Which is Saturday, so you got to do it swit. This Glade plug, that's another digital coupon. It makes it $2.25 at 50% off, so it would make it 25 cents. So that is another fantastic deal. Now, remember those Biore agaves? If I can do that deal first, and if that $6 lands in my account, I might grab one of these. These are $8.05. After the 50% off, I think this item is like $26, so half of that and subtracting your digital coupon, it's $8.05, but scanning that $6, it would make it $2.05. So I can actually, maybe I'll get one of these. So just an alternative deal for you guys. We also have the Swiffer wet mopping cloths. We have a $2 digital coupon. So it would make this guy $3.40, a little something called Not Too Shabby. And then we also have with this 3 off 2. So if you don't want those baby wipes, grabbing 2 of these after the 3 off 2, it's $2.15 for the 2. So that's a very good price point. And also with the same digital coupon, we have these Mr. Clean. It's a 4-pack, so it'd make it $1.95 for 2 of these boxes, and I saw them in many clearance areas. And this is another new addition as well at the same price point. It's called the Heavy Duty Pet. If you could find one of each, just grab one of each, and it should be $1.95 for the 2. Last many clearance events, I've seen clearance stickers on these 2 packs of the Charmin Essential, but then they ring up full price in the app. Who knows, maybe this go around they'll actually be 50% off. If it has a clearance sticker, the cashier should modify it for you, but it is the Dollar General, so you never really know. After this 50-cent digital coupon, it's going to be 62 cents, but this is one of these weird items. It does not ring up properly at the clearance event, which is super uber frustrating. And unless it has a clearance sticker, the cashier might be like, sorry. So just be mindful of that. We also have the Lysol Pet. There's a foam, and then this spray. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, dropping this guy down to $2.20. This would be a fantastic item to throw into a 5 off 25 basket on Saturday. And my favorite, the 2 Hello deodorants. We have a $1 digital coupon. So it'd make these guys $2.37 a piece. So if that's your thing, $2.37 for one of these fancy dancy deodorants, very good price point. I'm not going to read off the price point of every single item because it's going to sound like bingo, but I'm just going to show you like some stuff. This one store, look at this shelf. See those bags? I mean, it doesn't look like anything particular. But these on Friday are going to be 50% off. So they'll be $2.47 for the Tide Pods with Downy. That's a fabulous price point. I mean, honestly, I might go back to that store and do a 5 off 25 on Saturday so I can get a whole bunch of those because that's a bread and butter item to have in your stockpile. And $2.47 is a great price point. And then a couple of stores, I'm still finding these Gain Flings. So they will be $3.37. If you might have received a really nice 5 off 20 for the Gain, the Dollar General coupon, possibly another deal. We have the Suavitel 225. I would definitely also scan every single item when you are in the store, just to be extra prepared. Some of these digital coupons, it is the Dollar General. They might just take them away. They might leave them there. So just be very, very mindful of that. And if you want to scan every single barcode in this video, I also suggest to throw this on a television, the video, so you can have your cell phone open just to scan off of that, or throw it on an iPad, an easier way to just like, what do I have to load? And it kind of shows you, where is this in your store, and the quantities as well. Lots of Dollar General True Living cleaning products I did see in the clearance section. And this guy, I would love to see $1.50 or $2 digital show up on Sunday or later in the week. I've never seen a clearance event without Airwick or Heavy Glade, so it's just kind of strange, but they make the rules. I certainly don't. I'm not in charge over there. There was a $2 cashback for this guy, but it's not attaching anymore, so I wonder why they did that. I wish it was still around. Seeing a ton of these larger bottles in the clearance section at most stores, so that would be $2. Hopefully they're ringing up properly. I don't think they were the last time, but they're all in the clearance section around here. And then we have this cute little Tupperware container for $2.25. One product I absolutely love, they're called Covermates. So it's just like a shower cap to put over like weird shaped bowls, or like if you're bringing a pie somewhere or something like that. It's not as cheap as it looks, and for $1.12, try it out. It's a really great alternative instead of using like a mile of saran wrap or putting everything in Ziploc bags. The last group of clearance items we're looking at is for health and beauty. We have some diapers. These are for bigger kids, and we're looking at $4.37. Now, even though this is the Dollar General brand of diapers, typically diapers and wipes, like anything baby, child, goes probably on Friday. And a lot of shoppers will really, really go hard on this event. I would preferably do smaller hauls to get things for cheap, but I've seen shoppers go in there and spend like $500, like buy the entire clearance section, and I'm like, what? We have a $3 digital making this big bag of Poise $4.42. Very good stock up price if you are in need of those pads. And the Got2b, this is a cashback. So after the cashback, it's going to be $1.67, and the limit for that is up to $2. So just make sure that, anything you need to load it. This Always Discreet underwear at many stores, just under $7. Like this, I would love to have a digital coupon to go with, even $1. It would go a really long way. But it's like this manufacturers just know that there's a clearance event, so they just put the brakes on this. So I hope I'm wrong, and later in the week coupons start populating for all these products, because that would make the clearance event so much better. So on Thursday, I'm going to go through the app again and see what they have, and then start loading again, because I want bigger savings. Like, we were getting this Tresemme for almost free at the last clearance event, so I got a ton of that. And yeah, so have fun out there, guys. Really start getting prepared and organized. I can't stress it enough. I know that a lot of this stuff at just like 50% off, you're like, I'll just leave it at the store. And I think with the economy right now, $1 is something you're going to hang on to. That a lot of this stuff, unless digital coupons show up, people are just going to leave it in the clearance section. I saw a ton of stuff even at 70 stores, because people just don't have that disposable cash, just to buy like $70 of Gold Bond or Always Pads, because it's like a really hard time. So as couponers, we want to get the biggest savings. So I think that maybe either later this week more digitals will show up, or alternatively Sunday it will be on and we're going to have to get out there and really make these deals happen. That's it for this video. I wish you luck. Go and scout your store and get super organized and make this magic happen. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.